here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x16 equipment hauler made with 8-inch I-beam and two 7,000-pound axles. Here is the 8-inch I-beam. Does have a heavy-duty jack, safety chains, and adjustable coupler. Breakaway system. It does have D-rings built in, as well as stick pockets along the side. The floor is made of pressure-treated wood. It has the black diamond plate fenders. This comes with two 7,000-pound Greaseable axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. It's fully wired with the LED drive lights. This trailer does have 5-foot stand-up loading ramps. Here we have the spare tire holder. Once again, this is our 7x16 equipment hauler with the 8-inch I-beam and two 7,000-pound axles.